NDC national chairman General Mosquito Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketia Abwewura Kromhasi. John Asiedu Nketia NDC, the NDC is Asiedu Nketia. 87.9 Kumasi. Opa, you can take it or leave it. I'm coming. I'll be a microphone on my mankasa. Johnson Asiedu Nketia be General Secretary of the NDC in 2005. In fact, no, the third General Secretary for the NDC. Into or take you over from Hudiaya. That time, now we're free mu as Member of Parliament. Or not as when she look, who can't Johnson Asiedu Nketia were one of the Rawlins's boys. 87.9. So me catch you say the NDC is a Johnson Asiedu Nketia and Asiedu Nketia is the NDC. You need to accept and agree with me. Sir John, you cannot talk about the successes, the political successes of the National Democratic Congress. On fait a certain Asiedu Nketia Johnson Asiedu Nketia. Ye ka say Ubiama the National Democratic Congress are strong in our political landscape. 87.9 Kumasi. Untimi mudin ubodim yenu Asiedu Nketia ni kan obeto so mienu. Enima miru na Asiedu Nketia de adwuma e woni wiase wonam. We political strategists and an adwuma so do. That's it. Me makan wo baby bibri maybe nye fidie so wow makan fidie so they are fine say ade e be me ya pa ne say dakromeda sorry yes Johnson Asiedu Nketia nyame ato ne sa frɛ no bia wadi ne nkwana so obenya 100 years obenya 200 years so e de nipa de that's a boa obeko but dan me rebe ko fa because the Ghanaian politics will never be the same again. So regardless what is say and well, that is information I'm picking. Says you can called Bono region. The MPP were also having regional at the point. Was it no? Some that was I think 2024. Okoye campaign of Bono region. And strategically, as Ghana webinar report here say Omubuamebua. Oh, I'm Secretary Nanka. Yes, Secretary Nanka. Yes. Sir Johnson says yes. MPP. MPP national chairman so no so no so or suspended the tour because you say enkofoni nya kodi general chief so and we are talking about Johnson Asiedu Nketia charisma. There's nobody in the NDC or charisma chain Don Johnson Asiedu Nketia. There's nobody in the NDC, not even a president. You can't charisma, you can't say nipa Okasa party no DH party no follow. There's nobody in the NDC. Or what charisma chain Johnson Asiedu Nketia General Mosquito. There's nobody. Because Johnson Asiedu Nketia influence it go beyond the party NDC. Medical culture say his look and baby wakase nche no wakase only Johnson Asiedu Nketia be contest elections. Yeah. Also fearful. No fearful. True. And just a beer no make it jest. Just a beer na or yin senkwa. Or say na fearful. Look. It will take divine intervention. Say only Johnson Asiedu Nketia be contest elections are be winning in Ghana in elections. It didn't crack. Ne crack be no menu. It will take divine intervention. Look, Johnson Asiedu Nketia abwewura asante mantem ha. Look, we opponent say you within without you be scared. Opponent within here then. Opponent within say one contested for flag bearership. Say whatever. Ask me when I make say bia why don't say bia never contested for flag bearership whatever crown. You should be a worried person.
Is he also a year Juma as chairman?
Oh, Timmy, the make can say,
Today, what can also
Fabi can be a mature say, Baby, I Johnson Asiedu Nketia Bekubiano or commande.
And to your party, Juma,
and the make can say, one worker say, Ufia form Pewasemo, and no make catch us a contest. Etiano na meso make out to us to say,
and then contest on Casaba. Send you high on one echo. No, apart from the way I wakui. Say other contester, baby, Okani, you cried here. Nay, Senay, ya Ablicumadia.
Okay, me make us mammy true. The American John and Comassa. Me say,
Akoma
Asiedu Nketia, Johnson Asiedu Nketia General. Whether within, without, at any given point in time, obey your nightmare in any political contest.
That is.
Oh, your nightmare.
True.
Because Johnson Asiedu Nketia one person here. You see, for me, or the politics, the Ghanaian politics, no, or the chain will be a minimum. What kind of book could be Money Galore? Your friend Abranti be Omekan protagonist. Abraham Kofi Kafu. Or can Simbi or say you gauge the temperature and you pitch your message accordingly. Sadieno, the general himself, Johnson Asiedu Nketia. Enti Sir John, me say kasi subiu, whether within, without, Johnson Asiedu Nketia will always be your nightmare. And me say kasi subiu. If you are talking about the party NDC, he has a commanding lead in the party. This is when I say on-call contest.
Matia.
Look, all but first time, as general secretary, me time, production,
say
mama time and I say production mama time. Say production no be kasa na no kasa. To ona mama time production mama time. Aka 1 minute.
1 minute.
Nyehwe. We am sorry go.
Baby.
All right. Because time bia me bia make Johnson Asiedu Nketia asem. Di say opese me na sorry ko dia meko. It ma me nyini preko.
Time bia me
bia make Johnson Asiedu Nketia asem. All right. Enti general wura hasino. Medical catch say a major political discourse. And meaning say from now on to so be free as Akoma or be dominate headlines.
Yes, I mean.
Or be dominate headlines. With your hair, no matter what drops. Sir John, you cover politics at check. Yeah, na me na as dan Kenya me say both political parties ma do my campaign. And when I'm talking, I know what I'm saying. General Mosquito be kasa. Ebi ba ko pebe to form. Asem bie no bitimi akoba ne die no so. Tese ne die no edidi mo awie. And that's the person we are talking about here. They are oka ina semi say no oka nkwa agro na no odi recruitment here about bontin. There were other important topics, even government issues, but nobody was talking about it. Nobody was talking about it. And you cannot gloss over the fact that the man is politically influential. So, and I cut across, and Yaman Becca, you, Bono, regional secretary of the opposition party, say, Papa Neba ho last, a collapse BBR. That is what he said.
Collapse BBR.
So you say,
BBR uncle,
80 won't man take along.
You have only options.
Man take along. Media meno, no crab,
me program.
One person will take you over from John Dramani Mahama. Within the NDC. Tise Asiedu Nketia so onko contest no. Wo ko party will be abere. Me da say.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nsume da say. Yo.